Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video of the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Autobiography Edition, and we're doing the alternator and the battery on it. I'll start with the battery first. I'll split the video up. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you what we got going on. Alright, so we got on the dash indicator, battery indicator. We have the check engine light is on. Alright. Coolant level low. Charging system fault. Alright, that's our indicator right there that the battery is not being charged by the alternator. So it's in the trunk. Alright, we get up under here and lift this up. Gotta remove the spare and get underneath there. So that's a 10 mil, and it's a 10 mil over here.
Hi, I just didn't want to surprise you.
You got a 10 mil right here. All right, we get that out the way. You want to make sure you move that up and out the way so you can lift that on up. All right, so we got these here. You want to disconnect it. Alright, we got them off. 10 mil. Get that out of there. I'm not sure where this goes. It was out. Don't look like we got a strap holding it. So we should be able to just pull it up. And out. Alright, we got that new one in there. Go ahead and install. Just like that, we back in there. Alright, that's it. That's how you replace the battery on it. Hope it helped out. Until next time, man, the Pull Up King.
Yeah.